In our last lecture, we covered problem number 12, the AI Capability Statement Generator, how Sambid turns your real company info into a complete, agency-ready one-pager in seconds. You can check that one out in the playlist, Win U.S. Federal Contracts, SAM.gov. Now let's move to problem number 13 and how we solve it. This is the monster every contractor meets eventually, the 400-page RFP. 12 attachments, 400 pages of dense government language, with the important rules hidden inside it. A mandatory requirement on page 12, a dangerous clause on page 383. Miss just one, and your entire proposal gets stamped non-responsive. Here's exactly how Sambid slays it. You give it the RFP from SAM.gov or your own computer, and the AI reads the entire thing and hands you back a compliance checklist. What's required, what earns points, what dates matter, and any red flags hiding in the fine print. 3 days of a compliance team becomes 3 minutes. The monster becomes a checklist. And I'll show you in the dashboard exactly how this works. Okay, I just showed you the 400-page monster. Now let's actually look at how Sambid turns that into a checklist, one piece at a time, using the real page. Step 1. This page is called AI RFP Analyzer. In your dashboard sidebar, it's listed as Analyze a Solicitation. Right at the top, in one line, it tells you exactly what it does. Select an opportunity, paste text, or upload a PDF. AI extracts everything you need. Step 2. You get 3 ways to feed it the document. Paste text, upload file, or the one we'll actually use. Select opportunity, pick straight from your saved contracts, and it pulls in the real scope of work automatically. Nothing to copy or paste yourself. Let's click My Saved and pick the one sitting right there, Communication Support from the FBI. Step 3. One button, Analyze RFP. While it's working, it tells you exactly what it's doing. AI is reading your RFP, extracting deadlines, requirements, compliance checklist, and it takes about 15 to 30 seconds. Step 4. And here's what comes back, a full breakdown, not just a summary. It opens with an opportunity snapshot, the contract title, agency, set-aside type, contract type, estimated value, NAICS and PSC codes. And when the document itself doesn't spell something out, like an exact solicitation number or a deadline, it doesn't just guess silently, it tells you plainly, not provided. Go verify it in the full RFP. Then key deadlines, mandatory requirements in plain English, evaluation criteria with real weighting, and required certifications and clearances. In this case, a verified SDVOSB status, an active SAM.gov registration, and your UEI and CAGE code. Step 5. Then a full compliance checklist, 20 real specific self-check items built directly from this exact solicitation. Step 6. And here's the part that actually matters most. It checks all of that against your real company profile and gives you an honest go or no-go. This time, it came back bid with caveats, and it lays out exactly why. Our NAICS codes give strong coverage, our SDVOSB certification meets the set-aside requirement, but our past federal work leans toward large lab and facility contracts, not communication support specifically, so it flags that as something to address directly in the proposal. Then a fit assessment, a red flag section, missing key dates, no visibility into who the incumbent is, and a short list of action items. Confirm the NAICS code, verify SDVOSB status is current, and line up at least 2 past performance examples that are actually relevant. Step 7. And once you're happy with it, 2 options. Copy it straight to your clipboard for your proposal team, or download it as a clean, branded PDF. And here's exactly where this lives. This is the AI RFP Analyzer page, right inside your dashboard, under Analyze a Solicitation. Everything I just walked you through. The 3 ways to load a document, the full requirement breakdown, the compliance checklist, the go or no-go call, the red flags, the export, it's all right here on this one page. Now, before I go, my whole goal with this channel is to make your path to actually winning opportunities on SAM.gov easier, one real problem at a time. So if this helped you, hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, and it genuinely helps this channel grow. And drop a comment below. Tell me, have you ever gotten a proposal marked non-responsive over something buried on some random page you never even saw? I read every single comment, and your answers decide what I cover next.